Okay, so another type of directory traversal allows us to read the content of any file. So with these such bugs, we need to climb and traverse between folders again. So we'll go to Kali and log into BWAP. Open Directory Traversal file from the menu above. And here's a sample page. Now, as you can see, there's nothing with the page itself. So this means that you've got to pay attention to the URL, just like the previous lesson. Now, it's easy to guess that this time the application displays the content of the file, passes page parameter, right? And call the magic file /etc/password. And here's the content of the file. See how perfect this is? So now we can try to climb to reach that same file. Climb up one more level. Nope. Then climb up more again. Nope. And climb up one more level. Oh, there it is. So for this kind of traversal attack, we can use a tool in Kali called .own. Now, it's very easy to use, but first we do need to capture the request. So enable Foxy Proxy, then open burp in interception mode. I'm just going to rearrange the screens for a little better view. Okay, so now refresh the page. And here is the request in burp. So now I'm going to change here to the string traversal and copy this request to a file. And let's call it dt.txt and save. Okay, good. So now go to your terminal, simply type .pwn, and we'll look at the options. And the options are very clear. So let's run .own against BWAP. Type .pwn m payload. So the m parameter is used to specify the module. Now because we're going to use the burp output, we should choose this module. And then H for the name of the host. And P for the burp's output file. Unix, you can use this parameter if you know the target operating system. It's not necessarily necessary. And F, etc, password. So with this, you can look for a specific file on the target file system. I told you earlier, I like the password. D3 to specify the depth of the payload. And X80, and that specifies a port number. So finally, B to quit after the first vulnerability is found. Okay, so now we can hit enter. Oh dear, something went wrong. Let me just have a look quickly. And okay, yeah, so I forgot to add a parameter, the parameter K. So add K root to make the tool understand if it is able to read the file content or not. Okay, then go. And it discovered the traversal. And as you can see, it detects the same way we do. 3 consecutive climbs. And now I'm going to exclude the parameter B. So this time it's going to discover as many payloads as it can. All right, so it finds 3 different versions of payloads. Okay, so then go to the web browser again. Disable Foxy Proxy. And now change it to a medium level. So I'm going to add the path that we used before. Okay, so it doesn't work. Okay, so I can delete the first 2 placeholders. And it works pretty well, huh? And for the last level, I will add the same payload, and it doesn't work. Okay, so to be honest, I was waiting for this result. I'm not surprised, but I want to, I set it up on purpose, obviously, but I want to show you another trick to use here. The file protocols. So type file : // etc/password, and there you have it. Okay, so I want to show you the vulnerable code as well, but it really isn't actually very different than the first one. So I'm going to leave it for you to look at. All right? Cool. Good job.